Hello guys! Today we are reviewing a favorite in the world of robotic pool cleaners. Last week, we made a video on the Aiper Seagull Plus and another video facing the Seagull Pro versus the Maytronics Dolphin 300. If you like content like this, please feel free to give us a like, leave comments, and also subscribe to our channel. As amazing as it seems, 90% of viewers consuming our content are not subscribed. Please help this channel by clicking the subscribe button. Without further ado, let's go back to the video. Let's dive into pool perfection with the Aiper Seagull Pro. Calling all pool owners. Are you tired of spending countless hours maintaining your pool, leaving you with less time to actually enjoy it? Well, get ready to reclaim your free time, because I've got something truly incredible to share with you in my latest YouTube video. Introducing the revolutionary Aiper Seagull Pro, the ultimate pool cleaner that combines cutting-edge technology with unparalleled efficiency. Join me as we dive into a world of effortless pool maintenance and discover why the Seagull Pro is a game-changer you won't want to miss. Imagine a pool cleaner that does it all, saving you time, money, and effort. The Aiper Seagull Pro is here to make your life easier, thanks to its advanced features and exceptional performance. Utilizing the world's first quad-motor system and wave-path navigation technology, this powerhouse device ensures a thorough cleaning experience that covers not only your pool's floor, but also those hard-to-reach walls and waterline. Prepare to witness maximum efficiency like never before. Say goodbye to stubborn dirt and grime. With its four-wheel drive system, the Seagull Pro effortlessly climbs your pool walls, leaving them spotless and gleaming. No more worrying about unsightly waterlines ruining your pool's appearance. This remarkable cleaner offers 3 modes of cleaning, empowering you to target and eliminate those pesky trouble spots that have been plaguing your pool for too long. Get ready to be amazed by the sheer power of the Aiper Seagull Pro. Equipped with a robust quad-motor system, this pool cleaner filters an impressive 130 gallons of water per minute, ensuring a thorough removal of debris, from leaves and dirt to pebbles and sticks. Experience the superior scrubbing capability that sets the Seagull Pro apart from the competition, giving you a pool that's pristine and ready for you to dive into. Efficiency meets sustainability with the Seagull Pro's wave-path navigation. Unlike traditional random patterns, this innovative technology enables the cleaner to work under a fixed pattern, resulting in more comprehensive pool coverage and significantly reduced energy consumption. Gone are the days of tangled cords and complicated accessories. With its cordless design, simply drop the Seagull Pro into your pool and let it handle the cleaning while you enjoy your leisure time. Not only does the Seagull Pro excel in performance, but it also sets the benchmark for battery life and charging time. Aiper's cutting-edge battery system provides an impressive 180 minutes of runtime, which is 60% longer than its competitors. And guess what? They've halved the charging time to a mere 90 minutes. Prepare to be blown away by the seamless experience this pool cleaner offers, giving you more time to relax and enjoy your pool paradise. When it comes to user convenience, the Aiper Seagull Pro leaves no stone unturned. Its user-friendly design and intuitive controls make operating this pool cleaner a breeze. With a simple touch of a button, you can activate the Seagull Pro and watch as it efficiently navigates your pool, leaving behind a trail of cleanliness. The thoughtfully designed filtration system ensures easy maintenance, allowing you to quickly clean and empty the debris canister without any hassle. Spend less time on upkeep and more time enjoying your pristine pool oasis. Ready to elevate your pool maintenance routine? The Aiper Seagull Pro is the ultimate solution for pools of all shapes and sizes, whether in-ground or above ground, up to 3,200 square feet. Get ready to say hello to a perfectly clean and inviting pool without the hassle. Dive into pool perfection by having the Aiper Seagull Pro in your arsenal, and witness firsthand why it's the must-have pool cleaner of the future. Your pool paradise awaits. This concludes our video. If you liked this video, please feel free to give us a like. Also feel free to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Don't be of the 90% of viewers who are not subscribed yet to our channel. We add exciting and interesting content on a regular basis, so you are sure you will find content you will enjoy on a regular basis. It is a decision you will not regret. Finally, leave comments and be part of this growing community. This is what helps the algorithm push this video to people who need the information we provide. Our goal is to help make life effortless and easier. Until next time, have a easy and productive day. Ciao.